real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap. So the trap me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when it's still trap.
What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a glueless, yes I said glueless, closure wig from Jurllyshe hair. This hair is super soft, super bouncy. It is beautiful. This is a body wave 28-inch 5x5 closure wig from Jurllyshe hair. The hair was amazing. It was HD lace. The knots were so fine and easy to bleach, easy to pluck. Everything was perfect. So here are the little goodies that I get inside of the box when I open it up. And I'm going to be using Erika.J's liquid melt today for this video. So go ahead and stay tuned and keep watching for how I got the style that you see on my thumbnail. So here now you just see me taking some mousse. You can use mousse, you can use water, you can use freeze blast spray, anything that's going to keep the little flyaways and extra hairs back from getting bleached. And when I was done, I went ahead and rinsed it out in some cool water. Look at how nice these knots are. I kid you not, I had the bleach on for only like 30 minutes. I didn't keep it on that long this time because it didn't require that. The knots were so thin that it bleached so fast, so quick, and so easy. And I did not have any shedding. I had zero shedding, literally. Look at that. Look how far the part goes back. And it's so clean. Like, I really love this. This is going to be my go-to just throw on wig. Like, you don't even have to, like, use any products on it if you don't want to. You just tighten the straps in the back and you slip it right on and you go about your business. And boom, you're having a good day. So here I'm just going in with some Shears Balm wax stick. I really like this wax stick as well. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to get my hot comb after making my part. And I'm going to just defy the front, you know, make everything flat, smooth everything down. This hair is so, I cannot get over it. I wish you guys could just feel the hair through the screen. Like, do you see how many times I ran the hot comb through this and it got flat and just laid really soft and really flat? Like, you could see, you know when hair is soft. It's like how you know when hair is nappy, you know when hair is soft. Looking at this, you know the hair is soft. I didn't even have to run the hot comb through it too many times to get it to stay flat. It just understood the assignment and it worked. Okay, it worked. It knew what it was supposed to do and it did it and it got done. Please remember to prep and clean your skin with alcohol and skin protectant. Please do not forget, because any type of glue or adhesive sprays that you use, it will not stick. The lace will not stick due to the makeup from the cap, the oils on your hair, the dirt on your face. You have to clean all of that off or the lace will not stick and you will not get a proper long-lasting install. So now I'm going in with Erika.J's liquid melt. Y'all, I had this wig on for a week. The more layers, the longer it'll last. The more layers, the longer it'll stay. If you're looking for a 1 to 3 day hold, you could give it like 2 layers. If you're looking for a 3 to 5 day hold, you could give it 4 layers. If you're looking for a week hold, give it like 8 or 9. Shoot, go out there. Just give it 10. You could go out and give it 10 layers if you want. But you're just going off of something that's quick and easy, and you're just going off of what you want, like how long you want it to stay. So I gave myself 4 layers, but I gave myself 4 thick layers. No, I gave myself 5 layers. Yeah, 5 thick layers. And I went ahead and I let the first 2 layers dry, and I proceeded to the styling half of the video, and I started styling the hair. And then I went ahead again and added about 3 more layers, and then that's when I put a lot going towards the end, so I didn't have to keep going back and forth for so many layers. So all in all, I had 5 layers of this liquid melt, and that made my wig last 1 whole week. I kid you not. This thing right here is the truth. So now I'm just going to go ahead and part out my baby hairs. I almost forgot. So make sure you part out your baby hairs before you start flat twisting, because if you try to comb it out, if you try to comb out the baby hairs while the twist's already there, you're going to mess up everything and it's going to ruin your life and you're going to be really mad. I threw so many tantrums in the making of this video because I just couldn't get it right. But I finally got it and here we are.
Body killing and me see the damn crime. Come a mile when me see the tan line. She a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom, boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Sexy shape on your hand like a sauna. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. I see you shooting my shot, get it fast, you the best. I need you, yeah, I need you. When you get undressed in a pic and a text, need a preview. Oh, oh, you know how it go. Oh, they ain't gotta know, no, no, no. We already know. Oh, she know I'm on her. She had a nigga, now he's a goner. No calisthenics, I pull up on her. I make a movie, it could be horror. Please do not judge me, excuse me, your honor. Come get this work, yeah, you my Rihanna. Keep it a buck, yeah, I'm on 100. Yeah, I'm being honest. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my proud. No lie, no lie. For you, I just happiness me go and provide. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my proud. No lie, no lie. You're flawless and you don't try. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie.
So after I let those other 2 layers dry, I'm going back in with my final 3 layers. So when I say use a lot, I don't mean OD. Like, you know what I mean? Like, don't go overboard. Like, as you're applying it and you feel like that's enough, then that's enough. If you feel like you need a little more, go ahead and put a little more. But you don't want to put way too much to a point where it's too tacky and too sticky and it's looking white and it's pushing through the lace like you ever had the Play-Doh thingy with the toy and you push it and it spray out? Yeah, you don't want that. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But you don't want that. So you're going to go ahead, apply your final layers and fan it until it's super tacky, and then you're going to apply your lace to your adhesive, your glue, your gel, anything that you're using. But in this case, I'm going to be applying it to my liquid gold from, once again, Erika.J. She knew what she was doing when she made this. She knew my edges needed a break and I was tired of glue. Even though I didn't lose any edges, but I was tired of glue. She knew that I want to come home after work and I want to rip my wig off and lay in my bed and just be comfortable and be able to slap it back on. She knew. Shout out to Erika.J because she knew what she was doing when she made this.
Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body, I like. tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. For you, I just happiness me go and provide. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. You're flawless and you don't try. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie.
No lie, no lie, no lie.
Your body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan line. See a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom, boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Sexy shape on you like a sana.
After you're done, you know, styling your hair and you apply your wig, you want to go ahead and continue on with your melting process. You're going to use your favorite holding spray, and you're going to go in and tie it down with an elastic band. This elastic band is from Erika.J. You don't have to tie it. There's Velcro straps in the back. That was the smartest thing ever created because I hate tying it in the back. The knot hurts and it's just too much pressure. But with the Velcro strap, you just put it on like you're about to tie it, and you're just going to go ahead and strap it down. So now I'm going to go in and just drop a few wand curls in my hair. Don't remember where I got this wand from. I'm so sorry, but you can use any wand or a curling iron, anything of your preference. You don't even have to curl it. You can straighten it if you want. But I wanted a more bouncy look today. I wanted something different. I want to try new things, you know. I don't want to do the average center part for you guys, the average side part. I want to try new things and switch it up.
Get this work, yeah, you my Rihanna. Keep it a buck, yeah, I'm on 100. Yeah, I'm being honest. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. For you, I just happiness me go and provide. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. You're flawless and you don't try. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hot like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie.
So lately I've been getting into using the razor blade to cut my baby hairs. Like, I like it better. I like it better this way. I know how to cut it with scissors as well. But for those of you who aren't that good with cutting it with scissors, and you don't want that blunt look, yeah, I cut my finger a little bit by accident. And you don't want that blunt look, you know, go ahead with the razors and just shave it. Just shave it down, and then you're going to proceed to doing your baby hairs. So for my baby hairs, do you see how beautiful that lace is? Oh my God, this is like the best hair. I feel like this is the best hair I've worked with in a little while. Yeah, in a little while. This is the best hair I've worked with in a little while. I'm not even gonna lie. This closure wig, this hair, the closure to the hair, everything was just a plus. But for my baby hair today, I am using She Is Bomb Slick and Slay. If you watch my videos a lot, you know I love her jam, or her slicking slay jam, gel, whatever you want to call it. You know I love it. This thing, it also helps you to keep your frontal to lay down longer, and it makes your baby hairs last. For those who don't like to use the mousse technique, it helps your baby hair to last way longer. And here is the final look. Look at that luscious bounce. Look at the shine. Oh my God, this hair was amazing. Shout outs to Erika.J. Shout outs to Jurllyshe hair. I think this is the best hair, hands down. This hair got it for 2021. I'm sorry, like, this is just my preference. This is the best hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys very soon with another video. Peace. Wait, come back. Don't forget to check my description box for the details of the hair in this video and use my code at checkout for 17% off. Now, I'm going to see you guys later.
No lie, me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, for you, I just happiness me go and provide. No lie.